Hello, in this video I'm going to discuss a topic in Algebra 1B, Unit 1. This is actually the first tutorial in your class, Explicit and Recursive Functions. Now, I'm going to begin with a sequence, and a sequence is just a list of numbers. And this is my list right here. Now, on top of my list, I'm going to add numbers in ascending order. These numbers are just the position of each value in my sequence. For example, the number in second place is 3, the number in third place is 5, and then the fourth position is 7. Now let's talk about explicit functions. Explicit functions are the type of functions that you've worked with all throughout Algebra 1 and all of your math classes. And they look something like this. Let's say I have the function f of x equals 2x minus 1. And let's say x represents the position in the sequence. Let's say I didn't have all of the list, and I wanted to know which value is in position 4. So what I would do, I would plug in the 4 into my function. So 2 times 4 is 8 minus 1, and 8 minus 1 is 7, which gives us the value that we were looking for. Now for explicit, you can plug in any position to get a value. Now recursive. Let's say that to get the same sequence, my function is actually going to look like this. F of n equals f of n minus 1 plus 2. Now, there is no special reason why I picked n. It could have been x. The reason why I'm choosing n in this video is because you will see n in your tutorial and mastery test. So it's a good way to get you get used to seeing another variable besides n. Now the thing that's a little bit different is this thing right here, this value. You got f of n, which is also a position, and then f of n minus 1. F of n minus 1 just means that you need the previous value. What do I mean by that? Okay, let's say I also want to know what value is in the fourth position. That's my fourth position. According to this recursive formula, I need f of n minus 1, so n was 4. I need f of 3 plus 2. Now, f of 3 is the value in the third position. So, I have 5 plus 2, which is 7. I got the same answer as with the other one. The only difference with recursive, you need the previous value to get the next. And I'm going to write it down, and I suggest you write it down in your notes too. For recursive, you need the previous value. Oops. To get the next. Okay, and that is pretty much the main difference between explicit and recursive. If you have any further questions, please contact your math teacher. Thank you.